Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create Rednote account. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply go and open your Play Store or App Store, then click on the search icon and click on the search box on the top, then search for Rednote. And here, as you can see, you will find this option, the first one. You just have to install it. It will appear in Chinese. And for those who don't know, Rednote is the Chinese TikTok. So now let's open the application. Once you open it, it will show you this page. Click on agree. Then what you should do right now is to simply click on login or click on other login methods. When you click on login, it will ask you for the phone number. When you just click on these things, you can find out that all these phone numbers are in Chinese. And this is actually not a good thing from them. But what you can do is simply search for your code, or you can simply search here for the number itself. And if you cannot actually find it, or you do not want to sign in using the phone number, you can simply go back and click on other login methods. And here you have two options because I'm using the Android. When you have the Apple, you can also log in using your Apple email. Now here in my case, I will choose Google. And here, as you can see, I have added my email from Google. Now you'll have to choose the gender and the age, then click on next. And after that, here you should select the interests. So I'm interested in fitness, video game, travel, pets. Then click on start exploring. And here you are, just click on allow. And here you are, you have the account with you. You can now follow some of these influencers, but just click on next. I will now be able to watch some videos on this platform. It's actually the same as TikTok, but it is Chinese. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.